What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm at CVS right now and I'm going to be doing the digital deals of the week. Now I wanted to give you guys a heads up, I am not going to be couponing this week. I'm not going to be doing the paper deals just because I'm extremely busy with the holidays. Need to finish some holiday shopping and I need to wrap up the 12 days of giveaways and get all those prizes ready, which I'm extremely excited about. So I'm not going to be coming back into store, but the deals that I'm doing today, the digital deals, there's also paper coupons. So if you guys have paper coupons, you guys can use those paper coupons for these deals and it'll essentially be the same. So if you guys have seen my digital deal videos and then seen like my paper couponing videos, they're actually the same deals. I do the exact same deals. The only difference is that in one I use only digital coupons and then in the other one I use only the paper coupons, and the majority of the time the paper coupons are a higher value. So if you guys want to know some deals for this week, then you know you guys can still watch these digital deals and then just match your paper coupons instead. But alright guys, I am going to jump into this video and share with you guys the first. For the first deal, we are going to be grabbing a pack of Huggies and we are going to be grabbing a pack of pull-ups. Now these are on sale 2 for $20. Next item we're grabbing is going to be some Tide Pods priced at $4.94, and we are also going to be grabbing a Tide liquid priced at $5.94. So here are all our items. Now let's do the math. It is going to be $4.94 for the Tide Pods, plus $5.94 for the Tide liquid, plus two for $20 for the pull-ups and the Huggies, so it's going to be $20, bringing us to $30.88. We're going to subtract the $2 for the Tide liquid, the $2 for the Tide Pods, the $1 for the pull-ups, and the $1 for the Huggies. So that's going to bring us down to $24.88, and then we're going to get $10 in extra bucks, making this only $14.88 for all 4 of these. So that's going to be $3.72 each. But I do have a CRT for these. I have a $2 off 20 CRT. So if you guys have that CRT, you guys can use it with this deal and it'll be even cheaper. Okay, I wanted to mention, if you guys do not want to get Huggies and pull-ups for the deal that I just showed, you can get Pampers instead, and there is a $2 off 2 digital coupon. Now it'll be the exact same price, so it'll still be $14 and the cents that I mentioned. The only difference is that the CRT that I showed you guys is a $2 off 20 Huggies. So that's the only reason why I grabbed Huggies and pull-ups, because I had that CRT. But if you guys have a CRT for Pampers, then you guys can go ahead and grab Pampers instead. They are also the same price, 2 for $20, and the $2 off 2 digital coupons, so it'll be exactly the same. Next deal that we're doing is extremely easy. Now unfortunately my store isn't tagged, but we have the Oral-B multi-pack toothbrushes on promotion where you buy 1 and you get $2 in extra bucks. So I'm going to be grabbing these here. These are the indicator ones, and at my store these are priced $4.99. Now we do have a $2 off 1 digital coupon for these. So once that digital coupon applies, it's going to bring it down to $2.99, and then we're going to get $2 in extra bucks. So that's going to make it only 99 cents for this pack. This next deal doesn't have any extra bucks, isn't on sale or anything like that, but I saw that we had a $2 off 1 Skintimate or Edge shaving cream. Now here at my store they're priced $3.99. So once the digital coupon applies, you're only going to be paying, you know, $1.99, which is $2. But I do know that we usually get CRTs for these, so if you have a CRT that you can match it with, then it'll be probably cheaper. Next deal that we have is going to be on the Dove shampoo and conditioner. These are on promo. When you buy 2, you get $2 in extra bucks. So here at my store they are priced $4.99, and we are going to be buying 2, so that is going to bring us to $9.99. Now we have a $2 off digital coupon, so we're going to subtract that digital coupon, bringing us down to $7.98, and then we're going to get $2 in extra bucks, so it's going to be $5.98 for the 2 of them, making it $2.99. Now I definitely don't think that is a good price for these. If you guys have some CRTs, then it would be better, but I know there is a paper coupon for these that would make it better. So if you guys have the paper coupon, then it would be a much better deal. Now moving up, we have the TRESemmé also on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 in extra bucks. So these are also priced $4.99 at my store, so it's going to be $4.99 divided by 2 plus $4.99. So our total for 2 is going to be $7.48. Now for this one, we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. If you guys didn't use that one last week, you guys still have it in the app. And then I believe we also have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So it's your choice. If you guys still have that $3 off one, then you can use that one. If you don't have it, then you can use the $2 off one. But if you have both, you can attach both, and then both might glitch and they both might apply. So let's just say we're doing the breakdown with the $3 off 2 digital coupon. It's gonna bring us down to $4.48, and then we're gonna get $2 in extra bucks, making it only $2.48 for the two of them, which is going to be $1.24 each. Now it's gonna be 50 cents more if you only have the $2 off digital coupon, but if you guys have both of them, then it's only gonna be about 50 cents for the two of them. Alright guys, I hope that wasn't too confusing, but I hope most of you have the $3 off 2 digital coupon, because it would make it a better deal opposed to only using that $2 off 1 digital coupon. I did forget to mention though, there is a paper coupon for the TRESemmé. It is a $5 off of 2. So if you have that paper coupon, then it would be a much better deal for you, because it would only be 50 cents for the 2 products. Now on to our last deal. I know not a whole ton of deals with the digital coupons, but I did see some deals for like the Olay, for some deodorant and stuff like that, but that is having to use paper coupons. So if you guys have some paper coupons for that stuff, then I would definitely look into doing some deals for that. But on to our last deal. It is going to be on the U by Kotex. Now I don't think we have any digital coupons or paper coupons for these, but these are on sale for $7.49, and then you get $3 in extra bucks when you buy one. So that is only going to make it $4.49 for 1 pack. So I feel like that's a good deal, because these are normally like $12, and it's the big pack. So not the small boxes that we normally get, it's the big one. Alright guys, those are all the digital deals for this week. I hope you guys get some good deals. Let me know if you have any questions on this week's deals and anything like that, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.